Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ginang Angel.
Sit down.
Thank you, Ginang Angel.
Okay, so our lesson for today is about earthquakes. Earthquake is a sudden movement or vibration under the Earth's surface. I am going to tell you what to do before, during, and after.
I'm so fancy. You already know I'm in the fast lane. From LA to Tokyo, I'm so fancy. Can't you taste this gold? Remember my...
Finally! Come on, let's watch TV. Oh, cartoons!
No, let's watch news.
Oh my god, that's for old people. Where's the remote?
Avid viewers, I'm Sandara from TV News Report. We have the weather forecast for today. So tomorrow, we will experience an earthquake. So, be ready, people.
Oh no! Boring!
Let's prepare!
Oh, that's a good idea. We need some dry foods.
We need some water. We need clean clothes.
We need some radio.
We need emergency heat.
Okay, we're now prepared. We can sleep now.
Ethann, let's sleep now. Come here.
Oh, I'm sleeping.
Oh no, it's starting. Guys, wake up!
Guys, that's the moment.
Stay calm as possible.
Okay, guys,
Let's do head count.
One, two, three, 4, 5.
Oh no.
Kung wala ka nang maintindihan, kung wala ka nang makapitan, kapit ka sa akin, kapit ka sa akin.
Ethann! Ethann!
Bibitawan.
Kim, what happened? Where's Ethann? It's too late. He's dead. Aww.
Good news, people! The earthquake is now done. Now you're safe. Now you can go outside and find a safe place. Find an open area and expect aftershocks.
Go outside. Thank goodness we're safe, guys.
Composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. I met you in the dark.